Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bhumi Rapo Nalo Vayu, Khangamano Buddhirevacha, Ahankara iti yang me, Bhinna Prakriti Astana. Krishna is explaining himself. God is explaining what is God. That is real knowledge. If you speculate on God, it is not possible. God is unlimited. You cannot understand. God, Krishna in the beginning said, Asangsang samagrang ma yatha gyasyasi tatshino. Samagram. Samagram means whatever, samagram means complete. So, whatever subject for study and knowledge there is sum total of everything. One. God is the sum total of everything. Therefore, he begins to explain himself, first of all because we have no information of God, but practically we see the vast land, the vast water, ocean, the vast sky, then fire, so many things, material things also mind is also material, and then ego, everyone is thinking that I am something, I am kattaham iti mannate, ahankara vimurat, this false ego. This ego means false ego. And there is pure ego. That pure ego is aham brahmasmi. And the false ego, I am Indian, I am American, I am African, I am Brahmin, I am Kshatriya. This is false ego, ahankara. So, at the present moment, not at the present, always, we are surrounded by all these things. That is our beginning of philosophy. Where from this land came, where from this water came, where from the fire came, that is natural thing, where from the sky came, how these stars are situated, so many millions and millions. So, these are the inquiries of the intelligent person. That is the beginning of philosophical life. Therefore, those who are thoughtful human beings, gradually they are inquisitive of understanding the Supreme Lord, Krishna. So Krishna is there, and Krishna is explaining himself. I am like this. But unfortunately, we will not understand Krishna. But we will try to speculate. What is God? This is our disease. Krishna is explaining himself, God is explaining himself. We shall not take that statement, but either we shall deny or we shall accept God without any head and leg, and so on, so many things. This is our disease. Therefore, in the previous verse, it has been explained, Manusyanam sahasya, kaschid jadati siddhai, jadatam-api siddhyanam kaschid vettimam tat. Out of many millions and millions of persons, actually they are serious to understand what is the aim of life, what is God, what is my relation. Nobody is. Just like Saheba Gokul, everyone is interested with this bodily conception of life, like cats and dogs. This is the position. Not only now, always, this is the material condition. But somebody, Manusanam Sahasreshu, out of my millions, one tries to understand, to make his life perfect. And out of such perfection means to understand his real constitutional position, that he is not this material body, he is spirit, soul, Brahma. That is perfection. Perfection of knowledge, Brahma-Gyan.